What is up, guys? Rob here. I found this really interesting article on Cointelegraph, and it's based around historically over the past 3 years what has happened around this time in the middle of January with Bitcoin price. And as you can see, we saw big drops around this time, and then it started to recover. I'll dive deeper into these charts in a minute, but just coming down to this tweet, at the same date every year, the Bitcoin crashes. So in 2015, the low was on January 15th. In 2016, the low was on January 16th. 2017, the low was on January 12th. And right now, 2018, we are seeing Bitcoin in the same crash pattern. So when will it turn around? So let's take a closer look at these charts here. And you can see here's early 2015. Right in the middle of January here where this pink circle is, and you can see we had a big crash, but we found a low and from there pushed higher. Same thing in early 2016. The middle of January we saw a big crash, but then from there found a bottom and pushed higher. Same thing happens in early 2017. In the middle of January we see a big crash, it finds its low and then pushes higher from there. So here we are in 2018. You can see, here's the big crash. Now, we still haven't found a low yet, but will it push higher from here? Using history as a guide, yes it will. So this is a really, really cool chart that, let me give him credit, Armin van Bitcoin posted on his Twitter. And I mean, it happened over the last 3 years. We had that big crash, and then it found its bottom and pushed higher. So as far as what is Bitcoin doing right now, well, we made a double bottom here. And this purple box is the range we were trading in before we had this huge breakout. We're clearly back inside of that. And this trend line down here is my hard buy target. This is where I would definitely be buying Bitcoin. I don't know if it's going to make it down there with this big double bottom we have right now, but this could definitely be the point where we see Bitcoin turn around. And especially looking back over the last 3 years, this is what Bitcoin has done. It has fallen really hard, found its bottom, moved higher. You see almost the exact same thing in 2016. Fell really hard, found its bottom, turned higher. Early 2017. Fell hard, found its bottom, pushed higher. So to me, this makes me feel good about Bitcoin. And I think, we'll find our bottom here sooner or later and start to make another push higher. So really cool charts. If you want to take a look at them, I will leave a link to this in the description below. And I'd also love to know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Is this the low for Bitcoin? Or are we at least getting close to the low? Ready to turn higher? I think we're getting there. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, that's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay living that crypto money life.